Using VIPs abroad can save you time, reduce fees, and make transactions seamless. VIPs, originally designed for Norway, allows users to send and receive money instantly. When traveling or living abroad, knowing how to use VIPs efficiently can make a huge difference. First, ensure your account is fully verified and linked to your Norwegian bank account. This ensures transactions are processed smoothly without delays or rejections. Before leaving Norway, it's essential to check if your mobile device is set up for international usage. VIPs works on smartphones with internet access, so having a reliable data plan or Wi-Fi connection is key. When abroad, you can still use VIPs to pay friends, family, or even merchants who accept VIPs internationally. Sending money through VIPs is simple. Select the recipient, enter the amount in Norwegian kroner, and confirm. Currency conversion will automatically apply if the recipient is outside Norway, but be aware that your bank may charge a small foreign transaction fee, usually around 1 to 3%. Another effective way to use VIPs abroad is by linking it with services that accept international cards. This allows you to pay in dollars or local currency without needing to carry large amounts of cash. Many digital wallets and online services recognize VIPs, providing a secure and fast alternative to traditional banking transfers. Always monitor your spending and check the exchange rates before confirming transactions to avoid unexpected fees. VIPs also allows you to receive money while abroad. Friends or family in Norway can send funds instantly, which you can access through your linked bank account. This makes it ideal for travelers, remote workers, or expatriates who need to manage funds internationally. By understanding these steps and precautions, using VIPs abroad becomes straightforward, cost-effective, and secure.